Hi, I'm Laddie from Keyline USA. You may have seen me on the YouTube channel, at trade shows, or even around town. Keyline's introducing a new platform where you're going to gain in-depth knowledge on technical information about our products. We'll have webinars. We'll also provide specific training for one-on-one or even in group settings. We'll have also the Keyline Certification classes where you'll become an expert on our products. Technical training where you can learn tips and tricks that most people don't know. New keys that are coming online. You'll become an expert on that as far as programming, cutting, and even cloning the keys. We'll also do a deep dive on key machines, on hidden information that's not really necessary for the general public. This is where you'll become the expert. Welcome to the Keyline Academy. Let's go.